Hello, everybody. All right, so this is Tony, and today my wife and I decided to do our first ride across the Golden Gate Bridge. This is in San Francisco, California, in the U.S. La Mekas. I've been wanting to do this ride for a long time, but never had a chance to. And while we're out here doing some mountain biking at the Golden Gate Bridge National Recreation Area to the north here, into Mirror Beach and above the mountains there. Doing a number of bike trails. We decided to come toward the end of the day here and ride the Golden Gate Bridge. And I have to say, it's a mesmerizing experience here. I shut off the mute all the sound, the original sound, because it's with all the cars right next to it and the heavy wind and all of that. It's a high bridge. It's 220 feet of clearance, under the bridge into all the way down to the ocean surface. So quite a high bridge, spanning bridge, and so it's very noisy. And so I decided to shut that off just so that doesn't bug so many people. If you notice here, we are riding from the north side toward the city, and that's the side that is designated for biking. And I have a lot of people questioning me on a Facebook post whether we are colliding into a lot of people riding past this bridge. So hopefully you'll get a chance to see our video and know that nope, we didn't really collide with that many people at all, because as you get over here, you find out that there is a designated side for bicycles and there is a designated side for pedestrians, which is on the other side. And so for pedestrians, please look at and try to go on the side that you're supposed to go, so that you don't run into bikes. And for bikers, I would encourage you to do the same. Stay on the side that is designated for bicycles, and that way you can avoid colliding with people. So you can see people walking along on the left side, and we're biking on the right side, and there aren't that many pedestrians, which is a great thing. Okay, so just heed the guidance and the instructions toward the ends of the bridges, and go where you're supposed to go, and you'll enjoy your time, rather than colliding with people, especially those who walk the bridge. Okay, but it's a mesmerizing experience. And I want to show the clip, the whole ride back and forth, so that you get a chance to see what it's like being on this bridge. I don't think I've seen a lot of video like that, so I do plan to share this, and hopefully you guys all will enjoy it. We certainly have. It's been kind of a dream come true for us. We've been wanting to do it for a long time, so I'm glad we did. We had a blast doing it. Be warned, it's windy because of the height, and then it's right hanging on top of the ocean, so lots of wind. It's definitely very windy, but it's you can deal with it. It's worth the effort going across. The experience is very rewarding. Right now we're biking across to the city from the north side, and we are getting hit pretty hard on frontwood with the wind. And so as we come back, we're kind of riding back along somewhat with the wind, more so than against, and it's a lot easier on the way back. But going forward here was quite tough, biking out that way. Yeah, and we didn't ride it with power, although we have our e-bikes here. I certainly didn't, and so it was a normal riding for me basically. Wanted to take time to enjoy the ride out that way, so that was fun. But man, it's definitely mesmerizing to ride here, on top of such a huge structure, engineered structure with so many people, falling to their death building this bridge in the mid 1900s, and but it is a feat that is pretty amazing. And it is no wonder it is the longest spanning bridge in the world. Very tall, 220 feet clearance below the bridge into the ocean, and yeah, it's a key American icon that they are proud of, and yeah, it should be, because this is the Eiffel Tower in the U.S. here, so people come from all over the world just to enjoy it. So it's something for us Americans to be proud of for sure. Okay, so it's a good ride on both sides and back, and I'm gonna stop talking so that you can just kind of enjoy the music and enjoy the show, and I'll come back in and out as I need to, I guess, to make a few comments here and there. Alright, enjoy the show. Okay, nó happy little mong cho bây giờ mong này dọc. Giờ đang từ chỗ chạy lượt thi across this bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge nó là cái chỉ một chạy đó là dễ cơเลยha. It's a ít khó experience cha cái yêu cầu lo ha này dọc. Tới cha là cái to sát bên trong u sai ha nè. And giờ ý dạng cơ giờ có giờ mong Mekas nó vậy. Cái gì cũng sự giàu sát hay không sát tại wow. Tới giờ Mekas to là để từ bridge nó hay cơ hắn đồng bề chắc là hắn ta xem mà. Gì giờ tới dạng cơ the engineer ha te tên cái做的那么Ncig ha hay ta rồi sau lại做lại te dạng lu bọn nó làm bọn nó xa bọn lại nó across itu hạt rồi nó là giờ into hạt rồi nó so cái chúng mình chơi ra sau khi mà cho rất là to sai ok là gì. Okay, là một question của nu nó at least của tôi mà chơi ta của hát của tôi mà chơi ta all the way across and back, and we chỉ một tour both sides a little bit so we know what's available on each side. So alright, lần đó na thành đề là hát chơi thành này nó sẽ enjoy the show na. So remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Really appreciate that. It really helps me. ขอไม่หาปัง subscribe นะเจ้าของ channel like with your video ฮะในปังกูเกินแล้วนะว่าจ้ะ Okay, so giờ cái chơi thì nó chơi cú tập là sư tới từ sáng tỷ u hay là sai cái so nó cho ta giờ tao cái around the area nó na to khá cho là that what's on both sides you can chơi thì ở xí để họ tao ở sáng tôi xí na. Okay, so suddenly and within a little while, just it wasn't long. When you're on the bike, it's quite fast to get across. And so right now we're toward the city side, and we're just checking out on the edges a little bit what's on the side, so that folks can kind of see what can you do when you get to each side. But we've never been here on this side, right at the base of the bridge. But as we were looking around, we found out that there is bike path on both sides, on that end toward the city here. That follows the ocean line for quite some ways, for both hikers and bikers to see, and so you get really nice view, really close up to the river, to the ocean on the side. Right toward the edges, and even far ahead, up by the overlook way up there, you could literally bike and hike up there, but we didn't go very far. We just wanted to check out to see what's out on the side in case we come back later on, that we can enjoy, and we can take more time to really enjoy. Yeah, so do enjoy, and we're doing a little tour here, and as you can see that we will be heading we will be heading under the bridge to the other side too, so you can get a sense of what's on the other side as well. Okay, so enjoy the show. Alright, so we came back from above, and we're riding along this bike path underneath the bridge. We haven't been here before, so we wanted to do a little discovery to see what's out here. I'm sure that we're going to come back again. And we back across, as you can see, from all the way on the north side there. So the bike path goes under the bridge here to the other side, and there's a nice overlook on the other side looking at the bridge from the side. So, but you can see a couple of bike paths there. We decided to stick a little bit below and see where this takes us. And this trail, this bike path here, goes quite a long way. So I'm glad that they did some nice recreational trails on the side, for city folks to come out and just walk around and enjoy themselves. And if you bike, for you to bike around and enjoy this side of the shore. So that was interesting to find out. We haven't been here. This is our first time on this side. And yeah, definitely way easier on a bike because you can kind of get around very quickly. So enjoy. Okay, so ilunje on that panyo channel for a little bit just to get a view from the back side here. This is just a stopping point. We're fairly close to the bridge. And yeah, just wanted to stop by here for a photo. A lot of folks come and sit here and just enjoy the show. And I don't blame them. It's a very pretty sight from here to the other side, to the north side of the bridge. So really cool sitting area just to come out and hang out. Alright, and just like that, we are already on the way back from this side of the bridge. And again, sticking to the bike path, not the pedestrian path on the other side. So, yeah, a lot of people did comment on my other post regarding our experience out here. And so make sure you guys watch this video, and yeah, so you know where to go and what side to stick to if you bike, so you don't clash with a lot of walkers across this bridge. Okay. All right, so on the way back, more to come. Enjoy the show. Yeah, so it's a different viewpoint, obviously, when you go back this way, because you have a completely different view, right? You're looking at the mountains in the North Peninsula versus the city. So it's a different experience riding on each side. So if you plan to do it, I would do the round. It's very quick on the bike, and I think it's a 5 mile an hour speed, but I don't think anybody sticks with that speed. So it's very enjoyable. A quick ride across the bridge, and get a good experience on both sides in terms of viewpoint. So very cool. look at that, just like that. 30 minutes and we are there. Did some tour right across the bridge, and already coming back all the way across, so that doesn't take a lot of time at all on a bike. Fun time in a quick amount of time, so really cool experience. Glad we did it. và hát cho sao mình nhà sẽ có video nó nè để có dùng cơ bạn subscribe ha bạn like the video ha của channel nè để watch cho bên mà xin chích lo cho lửa ra nè. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and support the channel if you haven't got a chance to. That would really help me out a lot in producing these kind of content to share with everyone. Thank you and take care.